In this video lesson, I will show you what is Forex Rebate Calculator. The link for the calculator you will find below in the description, below the video, and here it is an explanation with an example how to use it. On the left side you can see that the Forex Rebate Calculator has several fields that you need to enter to define what you are trading and what is your deposit currency, what is the rebate per lot, and what are the lots traded. I will use, for example, EURUSD with deposit USD as a currency, and here you define what is the rebate that your third-party provider gives you as a rebate for each lot you trade. Have in mind that you can put here any number of the lots, but for example I have used that you are trading, for example, one lot totally. On the right side you can see I have EURUSD currency pair, and below that you can see that the current balance is 99,000 US dollar as a currency. Here on the left side you will see that in this article, I will put also the link below in the description, you will see what is a rebate calculator, how do you use it, and also how to calculate this rebate manually and also by using the calculator. You will see what is the formula behind the calculator, so you can understand how to calculate any other value and also any other rebate from any other provider. So the rebate calculator gives you information how much money you would get back from your broker, and that is from your third party, that is between you and broker. He gives you back for any lot that you trade. So for example, if you have a company that gives you 0.1 pips per lot, one lot traded, you will see for the EURUSD you get $1. So for example, if we open an order here in the trading platform, and I will put volume 1, which is one lot size, and I will buy by the market. You immediately you see that the current is -6, and you go here, you will see that is -6 points. So that means minus 0.6 pips. So if you have a broker that gives you a spread 0.6 pips, that will mean that you will lose, you will pay for the broker for the trading $6. So for example, if you trade one lot and you have a company that gives you 0.1 pips back for one lot, that means that he will give you back $1. So instead here that you are losing, for example, currently it is -$7, with a rebate you will lose -6. And that means that this rebate company, the company that gives you rebate back, it means that it lowers your fees for trading with this broker. So for example, if they give you 0.5 pips per one lot traded, that means they give you back $5. So in this case, if you have -$7 currently as a spread, for example, you will get back $5 of that. So that means your cost for trading with this broker is -$2. This is the case when you have your EURUSD as a small spread, but for example, let's take some exotic currency pair, for example, GBP Danish krone. So here you can see that the spread is very wide, and let's put here inside the rebate calculator GBPDKK Danish krone. And for example, let's say they give you 1 pip per one lot traded. So for example, if I open here an order with a one lot, buy by the market, you will see that current cost is -$39, $39.24. But if you have a company that gives you a rebate back, and they give you 1 pip per one lot, that means that they will give you back $1.46. So instead -$39.24, you will pay around -$38. So this means this is the reason how the company that gives you rebate functions, and also it is good to have a company that gives you a big rebate per one lot traded. So if you are trading some kind of these exotic pairs, it will be very nice to have a company that gives you a large amount of pips, for example 35 pips back for any lot traded. But have in mind that the spread, which is currently around -30 pips, they will not give you the all all pips back because they also need to make money for that, but they lower the cost per each trade that you open. Have in mind that there is the possibility that you can, for example, change here rebate per lot in pips or the currency. So for example, if you put here USD, just a minute to find it, USD, this means, for example, let's put 1. This means they will give you back $1 per one lot traded. Have in mind that also the lot that is visible here, it means that you can open several trades, for example 0.1, sell by the market, then open second one, for example 0.9, sell. This means for these two orders, we have totally, where it is, the size is totally one lot, so 0.9 plus 0.1, this means one lot. So for these two trades that you have open, you have total minus $39.37 as a loss, and if you put here that you get, for example, 10 pips rebate for one lot, you get 14.64. But for example, let's say you put another trade and that is totally 1.9, you can put here 1.9 and you will get what is the value that you get back as a rebate from your company. So 27.82 you get back from this totally minus 69.41. So this is the way how this Forex Rebate calculator works. It gives you the information how much money you would get back for each trade that you open, that is defined by the lot size that you spent and also the rebate amount that this company gives you. So it is very helpful tool to see how much money you can get back. That means lower the cost per each trade that you open with your broker. There are several companies that gives you a rebate back, so you can find them on the internet. And if you have any questions regarding this rebate calculator, please leave a comment. And then I will try to make a new video to give you an answer to your question. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!